How to clear cache and cookies in Safari for iPhone. If your Safari browser is slowing down, freezing, or not loading pages properly, clearing the cache and cookies can help. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear Safari's cache and cookies on your iPhone, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and simply open your Settings app. Scroll down and simply tap on Safari. Now scroll down until you find an option that says Clear History and Website Data. Simply tap on it and a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just tap on the time frame that you want to delete and simply tap on Clear History. This will sign you out of most websites, so make sure to remember your passwords. Now, if you want to keep your browsing history but still clear cookies and cache, here's what to do. Scroll down in Safari settings and tap on Advanced, select Website Data and simply tap Remove All Website Data. Tap on Remove now. Now, to prevent websites from tracking you, enable content blockers. Just go back to Safari settings and tap on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and make sure that toggle is on. And that's it, you've successfully cleared cache and cookies in Safari on your iPhone.